it again. So sweet. Wow, wow, wow.
أنا لست أجنبية عربية.
Arabic. Can you speak English little bit?
عربي. Little. Yeah.
Okay. I can't speak Arabic. I just speak كيف حالك.
كيف حالك؟ بخير. وأنت كيف حالك؟
Okay. Where are you from?
سوريا.
Syria.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm from Bangladesh.
You're Bangladesh. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm from Bangladesh.
Nice to
So,
meet you.
what's your name?
My name Eva.
What?
Eva.
Eva. Wow, nice name. Nice to meet you, Eva.
Not my name really ولا Arabic ولا Arabic.
Wala.
Eva English.
Okay. You are very beautiful here. Wow.
Thank you.
Welcome. Can you pull it? Can you pull it a little bit? Can you pull it? Like me? Wow. Wow, both side. Oh, so beautiful. Nice. Eva, how old are you?
31. 1.
21.
No, 30.
31. Wow. But you looking so young. I thought you are 19.
Yeah. My people
Okay.
says this.
Are you Muslim?
No,
Not Muslim. Then what is your religion?
nothing. الله
Yeah.
وحده لا شريك له فقط.
Okay. You not Muslim?
Not Muslim,
Okay.
not
Christian?
Masih, not
Christian?
Christian. No.
Jews?
No.
Then? Okay. So Eva, are you married or single?
Single, of course. I am free.
3 children.
Yeah.
You have 3 children. I said you are married or single?
Single.
Single. Oh, okay. Okay. Do you have any boyfriend?
No.
No boyfriend. Okay. How many languages can you speak? English and Arabic?
One.
One?
One.
Arabic?
Arabic. Yeah.
Okay. So tell me how to say I love you in Arabic.
أحبك.
What?
أحبك.
Ohabbo.
أحبك.
Habbo.
Yeah.
Ahabbo. Okay. Wait.
Yeah.
Ahabbo, Eva.
Thank you.
Welcome. You have so beautiful eyes. Your eyes is looking so beautiful. Your lip is also so cute.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, your cheek. Oh, please do it again. So sweet. Wow.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, nice to
Your
meet you
name,
too.
Shahab.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Shahab.
Yeah, nice to meet you too, Eva.
Yeah.
So, Eva, I wanna
See
say
you.
goodbye. We can talk later. So,
Bye.
bye.